Hello everyone, my name is Gaurang and I am an EHTC engineering student. While managing my academic coursework and adding up to my skill set and participating in hackathons, etc., how much pressure is there in an engineering student's life, isn't it? And in all this drama, I always tend to forget to check my inbox, to check my emails, resulting in I miss deadlines, I miss an important notice, and other things. It used to harm me a lot, and I always wanted someone to keep reminding me of checking my emails, forcing me to complete my task, and I found my solution when I was working for Kaggle's Concierge Agents exercise. So I created my own email concierge bot. Email concierge bot is an AI agent which will just not remind me of my pending emails, but it will also keep track of deadlines. It will also keep track of important tasks, less important tasks. In case if I have to reply back on some email, it will draft a reply for me using Gemini's 2.5 Flash. Also, I can take a risk that some LLM model will draft reply on its own and send to some formal member like professor or someone else. So I have also made sure to use human in the loop policy, which means my AI agent will not send the reply unless I approve it. Other than that, its main feature is it will keep reminding you of your pending task every 3 hours unless you mark it as done. So in this video, we shall first look at our system, how I have implemented this using Google's Antigravity, how our system and environment works, and after that, we shall see the live demonstration of how our AI agent actually works. We begin here in Google's Antigravity workspace, where I vibe coded the entire backend orchestration logic. For the technical implementation, the backend is built on highly performant FastAPI framework. It manages state and local task memory using a MongoDB database. To ensure production-grade deployability without hitting request timeouts during heavy AI processing, I leveraged FastAPI's asynchronous background tasks. When a cron sync is triggered, the server immediately returns an instant response while safely processing the underlying email analysis loops in the background. Let's look at my terminal setup now on my machine. So right now I am in my backend folder where I will start my backend server, for which I will use this ubicon command. It will take few seconds and we shall see that application startup is completed. Application startup complete means our backend server has successfully started. Now in second terminal I will run ngrok so that my Telegram mini app can connect with my backend server. To check if our terminals are clear and clean and our ngrok tunnel works properly, we shall copy this link to our browser and check if status is okay. So here we get the message AI Accountability Assistant API is running. That means everything is fine. So now we can move to our handset and check how our Telegram mini web app works and how our AI agent actually works. We shall see that. Now let's look at the live execution on my phone. First of all, I will send myself some demo emails to check if our AI agent work properly or not. So here if I reload, I can see I have sent myself two emails. One is about project presentation deadline and another one is about food habit survey. And you can see that we have got a notification that we have two new pending tasks waiting for your action. So if I click this, there is option open inbox. Click on that. We are redirected to our Telegram mini web app. This is the interface and you can see we have present project idea email which has high priority and food habit survey form which has low priority. So let's click on present project idea to see details. So it is mentioned over here the deadline that is 7th July, means tomorrow. Context is there, reminder to present project idea before tomorrow 12 p.m. Only everything is written over here. And also the mails are sorted according to priorities, high priority to low priority. Suppose if I want to reply back to this email, when I type draft reply, our fast API backend passes the entire thread context to Gemini 2.5 Flash. The model evaluates the tone, extracts the core intent, and instantly populates this editable text box with a perfectly tailored reply. So I can see here, thank you for the reminder. I will ensure my project idea is presented by tomorrow 12 p.m. regards. So I think it is fine. And if I click approve and send, so as you can see, email sent successfully. This is where our security feature shines. Gemini has zero auto send permissions. The draft remains fully editable on my mobile keyboard. Only when I physically review the text and tap the approve and send button does the payload securely authorize and dispatch the email via Gmail API. We can cross check that in our email inbox. In sent section, you can see it has properly sent the reply to respected email. By combining the asynchronous speed of FastAPI, the contextual intelligence of Gemini 2.5 Flash, and the secure human-in-the-loop Telegram user interface, this concierge agent completely transforms email management while keeping the user in absolute control. And to remind you again, these notifications will come to you every 3 hours. Thank you.